How to paste transparent photo crop on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is where you manage all your photos and videos. From your library, find and tap on the photo you want to use. Once the photo is open, tap and hold on the main subject. Wait for the animation as the iPhone isolates the subject from its background. Now, begin to drag the lifted subject. While still dragging the image, use another finger to swipe up and return to your home screen. Continue holding the subject and hover it over the Notes application. Once the app is open, find the place where you want to drop the file. As you can see, the image is pasted with a transparent background. Following these steps, you can easily paste a transparent photo crop on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.